So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Also, click the little bell. It notifies you every time I upload a new video. Thanks again. So I had a comment on my last video asking about trying to use a cream. So I went to Sally's and I bought, because you guys know I'm all about my gel. I like gel. I like the results that it gives me. I like the fact that it gives me longevity on my hairstyles. The thing about creams for me, it's really cute the first day, cute the second day, and the third day is like I have to start all the way back over. And that's the reason why I like gels, even though it may start off a little bit stringy, but the latter days, it gives me like really great full definition. And like I said, I can get 6 to 7 days out of the gel. So today I'm going to be trying out a new product that I got from Sally's. It's a very inexpensive product. It's from African Pride Moisture Miracle, the leave-in conditioner, and the shea butter and flaxseed oil moisturizing and define curling cream. This is the leave-in and this is the styling cream. It smells really good. All right, so okay, now we're gonna add in the styling cream. And it don't really smell that great. I will say, my hair feels very moisturized. Like, really moisturized. So now I gotta let my hair dry, and I'll be back when it's dry to show you the finished results. So my hair is dry, and these are the results. Okay, so I just want to say I like this product. I mean, just look at that. Look at the definition that my hair has right there. It does have a great bit of shine. There are areas of slight frizz, like right there. It's not that bad. It's so cute. Definitely be using this product again. All right, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye. Wow.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, comment, and like for more